Am I recording? I have next to no battery, but yes, I'm recording. Okay, the turtles are here. The turtles are here. And I didn't have a camera that was working at the time, so I had to get a new one. Okay, where'd all the babies go? Here's one. He's going right to the water. He's very tiny. I'm going to put my hand down there so you can see how tiny. Here's my hand. See how tiny? Very small. Hundreds of them. And they're all hatching, and I got to be here, which I did not expect. They did not choose an opportune time as far as tides are concerned. It's a long ways to the ocean, buddy. It's a long ways. This is the first time they've gotten water on them since they hatched. And here they come. More and more. It's like, yes, water! I've got it. See the size? Tiny!